to go to the data center, click on the new button and go to the data connector. So these are the different sources through which we can connect. I'm going to select MySQL. So here I'm going to give the name for this particular data connector, and I'm going to name this as hiring data connector. Now I can give the credentials for the server of the database, MySQL database through which I wish to connect. So I am inputting the username, password, IP address, port number and the database name. Now I can click on the test button. So this connection has been made successfully, so I can save this particular connector. Through this I can create a new data set, data store. I can even reconnect to this data connector if I've edited or changed something about it. I can share this data connector through a user group or a user. So here this particular data connector has been shared with the selected user. I can edit in case I want to change the name of the data connector, or in case I want to change the password for that particular server database, or any other editing which I wish to do. Again, I'm going to test. Once the test is successful, then I'm going to save the data connector again.